Okay. What's that out there, Kayla?
Swimming pool.
Oh, is that yours? Did you play in that today?
And then others.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, boat. The boat.
The boat's in the water. And what's that called? What's that out there?
Boat.
Okay. And where's the boat in? What's that?
Boat.
Okay, but what's that out there? What's that? Huh?
Cars.
What's that?
Cars.
And that what's in the water? What's that called?
Round.
Okay.
Round.
Yeah, but what's that outside?
Swimming pool.
Yeah. You like that? Okay. Okay.